went on with their life. They didn't get involved in anything. You know, they weren't the cool kid. They weren't the Bravo Mac. They wasn't the shot caller. They were good kids. And you look at yourself and you're starting right now where they were starting at when they were 23. It is a lot to take in, right? And that weight makes the other option look real good, right? But then you just go back to where he was. And so this weight that we're in is where we find David. And David is this young boy, and he's looking out on this, he comes out there to deliver the bread and cheese for his brothers. He looks out and there's this giant, right? Everybody knows the story. And he goes to Saul, and he tells Saul, "I'll murder this dude, you know, I'll take him down." And Saul looks at him. He says, "Right." David persists. They try on the armor. Doesn't fit. Maybe that's like somebody, I've been in those positions, I'm in this position now where, "Hey, will you give me a chance?" And they look at you. You got to check that mark on the box, right? Just give me a chance. And finally someone gives David a chance and says, "Go ahead." And so David marches out on the field. Before he marches out on the field, he goes down and he gets in the stream. Listen, he gets in the stream and he gets there and he picks up 5 rocks, right? It says they're smooth. And those 5 rocks, those beautiful rocks, he took one and he put in a slingshot. Have you ever seen that video of them guys that throw them rocks with a slingshot? It's a rope. And they do this. They'll knock, coat hands over. And he said he threw that rock so hard that it sunk in the giant's head. The perfect rock. That rock, that flat rock, wasn't that way. When that rock started, it was up on a mountain. And this comes from Dennis Anderson, my mentor. He spoke about this. But it started on a mountain. It was ugly. It was disformed. It was rugged. It was a part of a bigger rock. And then weather and pressure pushed it down. And then water ran it down the creek. And it tumbled and it toiled and it spent and it grinded, right? And it its pressure and abrasiveness, pain and suffering. And it tumbled down over the years. And it persevered. And it landed perfect right there for David's hand. See, it wasn't pretty when it began. Maybe some of you right now are like that. You're trying to get to be the perfect rock. But you got to understand, to be the perfect rock, that there's going to be crisis in your life. Right? And it is here to serve you. It is not here to hinder you. It is here to build you up. It is here to give you strength and encouragement, to rely on those things that we once said, no, I ain't going to do that. I got this sack. That's what I'm going to rely on. And so to become the vessel that impacts, that lays the blow to the world, what you're trying to do with your greatness. I am trying to echo my life and greatness throughout this universe to the generations that come after me. May my legend be performed, because I have a past. I must rewrite it. It is on my heart. It's crucial. God, polish me.